now I have Mr. Duppy with me here. Again, this is the Shema Maka. We got a bunch of Shema Maka here. But Mr. Duppy has been the man telling me about all the herbs. But why they call him Duppy? Why they call him Duppy? He doesn't want to come on camera, so I'm asking him to tell me why they call him Duppy. Off camera. Yes, sir. So why they call him Duppy?
The reason why they call me Duppy, from me a youth, them say me dead.
Yeah.
My sister come see me and move. That is the first kicking off of the dead.
When you were a baby?
Yeah. That is the first one.
Yeah.
The second one, I run off and them say they couldn't find me.
Yeah.
So them say them find a guy in the cane field.
Yeah.
Them say it's me.
And you?
not me.
Yeah.
A truck scratched us now and they take me now back to Black River Hospital.
Yeah.
Put me on the fridge. The Duppy blood and the Duppy.
They put you on the fridge?
Yeah.
You mean where they put the dead people?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What you mean?
So what happened? What happened?
When a porter guy see me start rock my foot and pull me out.
Really?
Yeah.
Man.
From that.
Oh, so that's how you get the name Duppy?
No, from baby days, my name Duppy.
Oh, so before you... Oh, man. All right.
Present.
All right, guys. So we're holding a second here. Duppy is actually answering his banger phone. So let me just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, man. So they call it Duppy from you were a baby because you were supposed to be dead when you were born.
Yeah. And my sister find me. So me doesn't die. Come back.
As a baby. As
at the age of 3.
3. So what happened at the time?
4, 6.
Okay.
And then pass me dead.
Oh, maybe just lie down and...
Yeah, and no moving, no shaping, nothing at all.
Oh.
You pack a lot of salt, those days from your belly and put a iron. Someone they call by the name of Kelmac now give me that name, Duppy. But it's only a dead man, he never see a man dead and alive. So it must be a Duppy. Yeah.
So that was 3 years old, and then later on, this is what happened again?
Later on, after catching up to around 15, 16, I run off, left the countryside, and them say, boy, they can't find me. And at the time, they kill a man, one man used to par, one named Duppy and one named Ghost.
Oh.
So they went kill the Ghost and left the Duppy. That's why them say they did kill me. You get me?
Yes.
So then find that man that came peace and my parents go look on the man and say, yes, it's me.
Whoa.
You know?
Whoa. So both of you the short and little body?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But one was Ghost and one was Duppy, 2 of us.
Okay.
Two terrible man, two rude boy.
Rude boy. So that was the second time?